If you know you don't love him or her, don't even try this. I repeat, if you know you don't love him or her, don't try what I'm going to be prescribing in this video this evening. If you know after everything you are going to leave him or you are going to leave her, don't even try this. And if you know that the kind of relationship you have with a particular man or with a woman is not something you see a future in, it's not the kind of relationship that you think will last or you guys will end together, don't even try this. If you know you are just having the relationship just for fun, if you know you are not going to have future with him, you're not going to have children or have marriage with him, don't do this. So but if you are in a situation whereby you love a particular person, you've given him so much, you've loved him so much, but he is not reciprocating the love. You've done so much for this man, but he's cheating on you. Most especially if you are a married woman watching this, this is going to help you massively. The much you're giving a man, you are not getting it back. The man is not giving you the love, he's not showing you love, he's not giving you all the things you deserve. So if you do this, he's going to change definitely. He's going to love you more extremely, more than you will even imagine. Or if you are a man watching this at the moment and you have a girlfriend or a wife that is not reciprocating the love that you are showing her, go and do this. I'm very sure that the woman will change and will start loving you forever and ever. So that is why I said if you know you are not going to be with someone forever or you don't love that kind of person, don't even try this, okay? Because this is one of the most powerful love potions, something you can do to gain someone's love, to gain someone's trust, and to be getting blessings from your partner. Or you are a married woman that your husband is cheating on you, is giving money to the side chicks outside, is not doing all his responsibilities at home, he just hates you all of a sudden, go and do this. Guys, good day wherever you are watching this at the moment. My name is Ifajimi Fakayode. If you are watching for the first time, I'm a spiritualist, and this channel I use it for spiritual lecture, guide, tips, and all of that. So if you are watching at this moment, please make sure you share this video, make sure you like and comment, make sure you subscribe. Yes, it is very important so that each time I post a new video, you will be notified. You know, one common thing about relationship or marriage these days, or let me say in this our generation, is that the marriage can be beautiful in the beginning. A relationship can be beautiful and sweet in the beginning, but before you know it, you will just hear divorce, you will just hear the kind of relationship breaking away. So like you will see a beautiful marriage, a beautiful relationship that has a good start but not a good ending. Don't hesitate to do this. There's no harm, there's no fetish thing, there's nothing like harm. It will do no harm to him, and if you're a man watching this, it will do no harm to her. So this is just one of the natural ways to bring your love into someone's mind and to make the person so attached to you that the person will be thinking of you all the time, and the person will be willing to give you whatever they have. This is for serious couple and serious minded people. So let's dive in and look into what you can use to gain someone's love. Before I will be sharing with you what I bring today, I want to give you a piece of advice if you will take it. First thing first, if you want to do this, go and check your compatibility with someone. I mean, if you are in a relationship with someone and you would like to end up with that person, so there are ways to check your compatibility, yes, before doing this. That is why I said this will be more useful for people that have been together, that are in a very dedicated and serious relationship or marriage. So this is not for something not serious like boyfriend and girlfriend that are just playing each other. This is not for you. If you are in that category, don't even try this on someone. So it is act of wickedness if you try this on someone you don't love. So to start with, go and buy an egg. So you don't have to bother yourself about local egg, that white one. You can use this kind of egg, this kind of eggs. So this is very common. Go and buy an egg, something like this. So when you get the egg, go and get a red marker, a red marker. So something like this. So this is a marker. So just red marker, red marker. Go and get a red marker or a red pen. Just anything to make a mark on this egg. I'm going to show you now how you are going to do it. So you go and buy an egg and then this marker. So those are the first two items. Then the next items is just a syringe, a needle syringe, a needle and syringe. So just like this one, a needle and syringe. The one that is new syringe, actually, a new syringe. So something like this. Check this one out. So this is the kind of syringe you have to buy. So now we have all these three items with us. So for today's video, this is all our items. This is all you need to get this done, nothing else. And that is why it is very simple, but it's very powerful. No, there's a lot of people out here that may want to use this negatively. But if your intention is to use this negatively, I'm praying now that it will not work for you. If you want to use this to hurt someone, I'm praying now that it will not work for you. So now let's go on. So now the first thing you will do is you will write the name of your partner. Now check this out. See the way I write this. So you will put something like a love sign. This love sign or emoji, something like this. You will firstly write it on the egg. So something like a heart. Write it on the egg using this marker. So after you will do it like this, you will write the heart. You will draw the heart on the egg. Then you are going to write the name of yourself. Like for example, now you can see here I wrote John. Imagine or assuming I'm the John and I want a particular woman to love me or my wife to love me. I will write the name of my partner below the heart sign. Like now you are a woman watching this right now, you will write your name upward, putting the name of your partner downward. I hope you get it now. So this is how it will look. Then the next thing that is very necessary, or let me say, this is where it gets so intense. So you are going to take this needle and draw some blood from your left hand. Draw some blood from your left hand. It can be either from your left hand or your left lap. So you have to try and get some vein. So you can even tie your hand to to get some vein and simply draw some blood, a little blood, using this needle and syringe. Just draw some blood from your hand. Now you are going to inject this egg with the blood. So you are going to pinch the egg using the edges of this needle. Pinch the egg using the edge of this needle so that it will be able to enter inside of the egg, and then you are going to release the blood inside this egg, and by this the egg becomes more powerful. Now you have put your blood there. What next you are going to do is you are going to get a glue or something like a sellotape or paper tape to cover that particular point where you pinch the egg, so that it will not pour out or it will not leak out. Okay, so you are going to tape it. Then you are going to wrap it with a nylon. You can use any types of nylon, white nylon. You are going to wrap it with a nylon. Then you are going to put it inside a very hot water. You will cook it for like 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, you are going to cook it for like 2 or 3 minutes. After cooking it very well, you let it cool. You let it cool, and this is how you will use it on your partner. Now listen carefully. So when it is cooked, all these things will have been erased, so you don't have to bother about that. So you will gently open the egg when the egg is very cool, that is not going to hurt your hand. Then gently open the shells of the egg. So now you can put the egg inside a stew, inside anything that you are going to cook for him. Just make sure he eats the egg or half of the egg, or just make sure he is inside of the food he eat. So you can put the egg into a stew, you can put the egg on his rice. So just make sure he eats the egg. And if you are a man, so I know this may get really hard to do, so you can buy something like a food and put the egg on it. You can get a food in the restaurant and tell your wife that the food was from restaurant. Then you are going to find a way to put the egg on it in a way that he will not know. So just make sure he or she eats the egg, okay? Now after eating the egg, you've had a very strong confidence with the person. They are not going to leave you ever. They are going to be loving you ever and never again. So don't try this on anyone you don't love. I'm begging you. And if you think this is just a random video you're watching on YouTube and you want to do it to hurt someone, I'm praying now in the name of the Olodumare that it will not work for you. If you are deliberately going to use this to hurt anyone, it is not going to work for you. So you should go and note that. I'm not joking. So now, these are the warnings about this. You must use this instantly you cook it. Like if you want to give it to your husband to eat, it must be used that day or the following day. It must not pass the second day. That is, if your husband is not coming home that particular day, that means you will have to repeat the process, get another egg and draw some blood. So that is how you will do this. This is not something you will be doing regularly. A one time process like this is enough to bring yourself attached to your husband or your wife. So this is the way our forefather put their love. This is one of the powerful, simple but powerful love portion. I'm telling you, it is working. So if you consider this helpful, please make sure you share this video. Make sure you like and comment. You will be seeing my videos. I will be coming on your screen next time. Remain blessed.